everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a really quick video. So I just did the unboxing review of the mini Kraton, the Grom Kraton. I don't care what people say. Look, it's not mini. Anyhow, I said that you could not use the program box with this ESC, and we tried 3 different boxes. Somebody made a comment on the video saying that you have to do the update. So alright, I'm game. I go and check, and there was an update as of January this year. Now I'm not 100% sure if you do need the update, because once I did the update I still couldn't get it to work, because normally where do we plug this in at? The fan port. You have to plug this in. See, this first one is your steering, the second one's fans. This is the power key port, the port for the power key. So if you plug it in there, check this out. Oh, there it is. So I've already actually made some changes there, because it was on punch, I believe 7, so I brought up to 9. I'll save that. So I guess this is hard to do one-handed. Brake force was at 50. Believe it or not, that was 50%. So that seemed really weak. So I put it up to 70. I moved reverse from 25 to 50. Didn't touch the neutral range timing. Now this last one is really interesting. Receiver mode. Internal, external. So somebody else made a comment too about you could hook up your own receiver to this. Why you'd want to, I don't know. I guess you could use your own. But the question then is, where does it plug in? And if you plug in your own receiver to the power port, are you going to get full power then? I also did find that if you hold this button down for a long time, it starts going in process, just real short to turn it off. But check it out, there it is. So let me know if you have one of these programmers and haven't done the January 2026 updates. Plug it in, put it into the power key port, and let me know if that works. Because if not, it's real easy. Just go to Spektrum.com, look up the smart programmer, and then under assistance or whatever it's called, like downloads and help or whatever, go there. You have to put the software on your computer, and then once you do that, you just launch the program. This takes a USB-C and just plug it into your computer, select the programmer, update it. Really easy. So there you go, we can do it off the card.